Hey folks, my guest today is Anton Viborny. He's building a tool called APIway.ai. It's an API integration platform and B2B software marketplace. Great tool. He's living and building this from Kiev, Ukraine. Anton, are you ready to take us to the top?
Yes. Hi, Nathan. Thank you for having me. Nice to meet you. I'm ready.
Now, your early stage, which we love, help us understand where you're at today. Or do you have customers or are you pre-revenue?
Yes, we have some a little bit customers, but we have another business model like our competitors, and now we are focusing on acquiring users. So we provide an API integration platform, and we provide it absolutely for free. And we hope that it will drive traffic to our platform. And when the user connect different apps and automate their workflow, we show the recommendations of other SaaS vendors. For example, when the user connect Facebook leads and Google spreadsheets, it means that he is launching ads and he managed leads in spreadsheets. But the next logical step for automating their business, it will be implementing in CRM. And we say that, okay, you can use, for example, HubSpot CRM, or you can use a Pipedrive, and user clicks and we get an affiliate commission or vendor paid for leads. And we have some paid customers with affiliate links, but in most cases it is a users who will use our platform.
So, Anton, how much revenue did you do last month?
Our revenue is something like $1,000 per month in an affiliate partner program.
And why did you choose to get your original revenue via affiliates instead of selling customers a SaaS platform directly?
Because when we started our business 2 years ago, we wanted to create integration platform in Russian and in Ukraine, but after that we think that it's a bad market for us, and we think that okay, we need to go to a global market in English-speaking market. But there are very strong competitors like Zapier, Integromat, and to compete with them, it's very hard. And we start to thinking how we can be different. And so we say, okay, what will be if we provide integrations for free? Users will like us, but how we need to earn money. So, and we say, okay, we sold the G2 Crowd or Capterra websites, and we say, okay, what will be if we combine these two business models? So, and we provided something like a free Zapier and G2 Crowd mix.
And so right now, which affiliate pays you the most money? Who do you make the most money from?
Active Campaign, because I was a reseller at Active Campaign, and I know these tools. And in all placement, we provide Active Campaign affiliate link, and we have some customers from we sell Active Campaign and MailerLite and Pipedrive, because now we are focusing on email marketing and CRM automation.
So when people want to connect their Gmail to Google Spreadsheets or to Facebook Leads or Power Editor on Facebook, they'll use APIway for free. When they come use you for free, they get introduced to new tools like Pipedrive or Active Campaign. When you sign up a new customer to Pipedrive or Active Campaign, you get an affiliate cut back. That's how you make money today.
Yes. But now 1 month ago, we launched our community board where people can post articles, ask questions about different software. Every software has his own subforum, and we want to create something like a social network for automation experts, because I don't know any place where you can find a strong community for no-code specialists and especially marketing automation specialists. And we want to create a place where they can publish their useful content and communicate with each other.
And have you bootstrapped, or did you raise capital?
We raised a little bit capital, pre-seed round. It's 130K 1 year ago, and now we want to raise a seed round, maybe on the end of this year or at the beginning of the next year. But I think it's bootstrap 100K.
When you raised the $150,000, what valuation did you raise at?
It was 1.5 million valuation.
And who was the investor, or was it family and friends?
Yes, it was it's company called Unisender. Unisender, it is a Russian MailChimp. It is a leader in CISC countries in email marketing software. And they invested in us because they paid money for Capterra, GT Crowd, and Zapier, and they understand what the difference, because the cost of traffic, customer acquisition cost for SaaS vendors is extremely high, and we want to provide we want to reduce the customer acquisition cost for vendors.
Yeah. And are you doing this yourself, Anton? What is your team size today?
We have a 12 team size with me and with my co-founders, 5 engineers, and also I have 2 co-founders. They are coders, 2 CTOs, maybe so something like this. And other people, it is in marketing. We have an event manager because we are providing online conferences, and assistants who help me with another tasks.
So how many founders are there? 3 or 2?
Three.
And did you split equity evenly?
No. With one founder, we split 50-50, and after that, we give an option pool for third founder, and he become a co-founder.
I got it. So you own 50%, your other co-founder owns 50%, and a third has options.
Well, options, yeah, but I don't want to tell what the percent, but with one co-founder we have equal, and the third co-founder is have
less than you two.
Yes.
I see. Very cool. And so what's next? You mentioned the community you're launching. You're doing a lot of events. What's the next product you're going to be pushing?
Now we will not push the next product because we already create a lot of things, and we will develop details. For example, we provided some feature that where you can post a software button. For example, you came to our platform and make a post like in Facebook and say who's best. For example, MailChimp and MailerLite. And this post become online, and on this page people can post positive and negative arguments from the different sites. So it's not just like a reviews where reading reviews of GT Crowd and all these reviews are good. So you have a page where you can see a pros and cons, for example, for MailChimp, and pros and cons for ActiveCampaign, and these arguments are posted by real users. They in most cases they tell a really true, and on these battles vendors can launch ads, for example.
I see. You mentioned the way that you get new users is by building integrations into Pipedrive's marketplace and ActiveCampaign's marketplace. How many total new signups to API Way did you get last month?
We have 40-60 signups every day. I think how many it is, I don't know. I just watch on a day. Half of the year, 6 months before, it was 10, 20, 30 signups per day. Now it can be 50. No, when we organize some conference, it can be 200 signups and the tail. But if we don't do anything, it's 40, 50 signups per day without marketing. It's a word of mouth.
And so you launched in 2019. How many total signups do you have today? Everybody?
I think more than 10,000. I think, and we have more than 1,000 active users who are integrate some. We call it way. Who are active way, for example, Facebook Leads and Google Spreadsheet. It is one way. This 1,000 people using this integration, and they created 3,000 ways. For example, one user can create 3-4 integrations.
I understand. And which marketplace drives you the most new signups? Active Campaign, Pipedrive, or somebody else?
Pipedrive and Active Campaign. Now we maybe two weeks ago we launched HubSpot, and we think that this marketplace will give to us leads in most cases. But there are some vendors. They are not very popular. But their support team send leads to us, and it drives more traffic than marketplaces from vendors. For example, chatbot software and support team send leads.
Can you name a couple of those smaller softwares?
Yeah, BotHelp, for example. BotHelp. It's a Russian chatbot software. Like
so the bot helper support team sends you a lot of new users.
Yes, and users ask them how we can connect bot help with Pipedrive or Ambo CRM, and they send leads to us.
Understood. And how many companies pay you at least $1 in affiliate revenue per month right now?
I checked this information 3 days ago, and more than 25 SaaS vendors pay to us some couple of dollars. So we provided for them, I think, 300 or 400 leads, and make maybe 50 sales. But these 50 sales, it's something like website builder. It's not a lot of money. But for example, Active Campaign, because you can sell Active Campaign for 25,000 contacts, and the affiliate will be more than simple website building, for example.
Understood. How much capital are you guys burning per month right now?
I think it's 11. Sometimes it's 11,000 and for 15,000. Because we are living in Russia and in Ukraine, and we have no so expensive coders and something, and I think it's our good side because we have a very qualified engineers that have a normal price.
So you're spending about $20,000 per month in total expenses. You have 10,000 and you have 1,000. Sorry, you have 11,000 in total expenses, 1,000 in revenue. So you're burning about $10,000 per month.
Oh, yes, something like that. No, because sometimes more. Because, for example, we provided an online conference and we buy for some ads, and I take this money from my previous business. It is a reselling Active Campaign. I have some users. From this, we have a two revenue stream from Active Campaign. It's affiliate with API and reselling. It is another business.
So you mentioned you're thinking about raising capital right now. How much are you thinking about raising?
We want 1.5 million. If we do this, it will be okay, because our competitors have a deep pocket, and we need to raise a lot of capital, because we want to build not just the tool. We want to build an ecosystem. It will be something like a GitHub and Stack. Developers have a GitHub and Stack Overflow, and we want to create something like this for automation expert and for user who like automation, who use a B2B software.
Understand. If you raise 1.5 million, what valuation are you hoping to raise on?
We want 10 million. We want this price.
And do you think you'll get it?
All times, I think that we will do it, because I'm an entrepreneur and I have to believe in this.
Good answer.
I understand that it's maybe hard, and we don't hold this money. I understand this, but we want to build a very big things, and we try to find the people who will believe in us.
It makes a lot of sense. Let's wrap up, Anton, with the famous 5. Number 1, what's your favorite business book?
My favorite business book is The Black Swan.
Number 2, is there a CEO you're following or studying?
Christopher Columbus. It's my favorite CEO.
Number 3, what is your favorite tool for building API way?
Loom.
Who?
Loom. Where you can record the video on the
Number
screen.
4, how many hours of sleep do you get every night?
8 hours.
And what's your situation? Married, single, kids?
I'm a single, no kids now.
And how old are you?
I'm 31.
31? Did you say 31?
Yeah, 31.
31. What's something you wish you knew when you were 20, Anton?
What I have to know when I was 20?
Yeah, something you wish you knew when you were 20.
Move to US, I think, learn English and learn how to raise capital.
Guys, APIway.ai, they help you manage connections between things like Pipedrive and Google Sheets or your Gmail. They also want to build a community around these automation, no-code type people and personas. They're on their way. They have 25 affiliate partners that pay them about $1,000 a month total, so $12,000 a year run rate right now. They raised $150,000 last year on a $1.5 million valuation, and as they grow this year, hoping to raise another $1.5 million at a $10 million valuation with their team of 12 and 3 co-founders. Anton, thanks for taking us to the top.
Thank you very much.
One more thing before you go. We have a brand new show every Thursday at 1 p.m. Central. It's called Shark Tank for SaaS. We call it Deal or Bust. One founder comes on, 3 hungry buyers, they try and do a deal live, and the founder shares back-end dashboards, their expenses, their revenue, ARPU, CAC, LTV, you name it, they share it. And the buyers try and make a deal live. It is fun to watch every Thursday, 1 p.m. Central. Additionally, remember, these recorded founder interviews go live. We release them here on YouTube every day at 2 p.m. Central. To make sure you don't miss any of that, make sure you click the subscribe button below here on YouTube, the big red button, and then click the little bell notification to make sure you get notifications when we do go live. I wouldn't want you to miss breaking news in the SaaS world, whether it's an acquisition, a big fundraise, a big sale, a big profitability statement, or something else. I don't want you to miss it. Additionally, if you want to take this conversation deeper and further, we have by far the largest private Slack community for B2B SaaS founders. You want to get in there. We've probably talked about your tool if you're running a company or your firm if you're investing. You can go in there and quickly search and see what people are saying. Sign up for that at nathanlatka.com/Slack. In the meantime, I'm hanging out with you here on YouTube. I'll be in the comments for the next 30 minutes. Feel free to let me know what you thought about this episode. And if you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up. We get a lot of haters that are mad at how aggressive I am on these shows, but I do it so that we can all learn. We have to counter those people. We got to push them away. Click the thumbs up below to counter them and know that I appreciate your guys' support. All right, I'll be in the comments. See ya.